John Herbert Warner, 26 November 1923 – 20 September 1991, was a member of the Queensland Legislative Assembly. Biography. Warner was born in Sydney, New South Wales, the son of A.F. Warner and his wife Elizabeth Hazel, née Hollis, and was educated at the King's School, Parramatta. He worked as a farmer and grazier, and in World War II served with the RAF as a flight officer pilot working in the Pacific and USA operating air sea rescues. He married Mary Allison Sword in 1949 and together had 3 sons and a daughter. Warner died in Toowoomba in September 1991. Public career. Warner won the seat of Toowoomba South for the Country Party at the 1974 Queensland state election, defeating the sitting member Peter Wood of the Labor. He represented the electorate for almost 12 years, retiring from politics in 1986. Warner was the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Queensland from 1983 until 1986. References